wait. Is there a road right there?
Yeah.
That's it right there. Yeah. That's what we need. This is the main in and out for this whole park.
Marvin behind us?
Yeah. So we're gonna hit people coming up the other way probably. And
wanna go this
wait.
way?
I think they both go the same way, but let me double check. They all go the same direction. Ah, crap. Okay. They don't. It's like we're not the only ones. He changed his light colors. Oh. Oh, maybe they're in. Downhill. Ooh, that looks big. Holy mackerel. Ooh! See, I don't actually remember that rock because I'm always taking the easy route.
Yeah. Not always. I've seen you around a couple
That is
times.
true. That is true. Straight to the ground is the easiest route.
Okay, now which way?
Downhill. Remember I was saying.
This runs into the same road we were on, I think.
Remember I was saying they all go the same way. That
Yeah.
would have been back to where we just came from.
Yeah.
But further down the road. Pretty soon we should see a little bridge.
That one.
There you go. So we're about halfway down this trail. Yeehaw.
Yeah, I was waiting this morning earlier. Couldn't go back to well, midnight. Couldn't go back to sleep.
Ah,
Yeah.
that's why we keep ZzzQuil around the house. That's some wonderful miracle drug.
I think he's on the clock at 4 o'clock before he goes off.
Oh.
Got up at 5.
You went to sleep the same time I got up.
Well, I got up at 5. You get up at 4?
Yeah. I think that's what time the heater kicks on. As soon as it kicks on, I'm waking up.
Oh, it wakes you up?
Yeah. Which is
That's
fine.
weird. Out in the garage and you can hear it?
Can I hear it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we hear the kicking on.
Wow.
Remember, our house is a little small for the size heater we have. They said, well, your house is only 1,100 square feet. We don't really sell heaters that small. We'll sell you the smallest we have and put it on the lowest setting.
Yeah. Because when I bought mine, I had people trying to sell me so many ton heaters.
Yeah.
The last guy says, no, no, no. He goes, I think, or is it a 4 ton maybe? Can't remember, it's been 20 years ago.
Yeah.
He goes, those other ones will blow your ductwork apart.
Yeah.
But you had your ductwork put in by those people.
We did.
Yeah.
They did a pretty good job, except for when they stepped and almost fell through the roof. I didn't figure it out until years later. They all go to the same place. I accidentally drove through these blackberry bushes trying to get out of the way of someone coming the opposite way. I remember those blackberries vividly.
Well, is Ann enjoying herself?
I think she is. Okay, when we get down here, back to the, just a sec.
Yeah. That line, that's the thing we're up.
Okay, so we will stop here. We always come up this way from our parking spot. So we want to go left.
which would take us down this white trail.
Yeah, we're looking for Timber Tamer, which they claim is a 4x4. We'll see.
Okay.
If you go left, and that's the last trail, unless we want to go back in.
Hi guys!
Hey.
You having fun?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Just had to go drop somebody off at the bay. Be careful on that one. Some big fucking rocks on that one if you're going down.
Yeah, I don't know which one
You
we
got
going.
you Timber Tamer?
The one that's right.
Whatever
Is that Timber
Oh,
Tamer? Has that got big rocks on it?
Oh, big rock. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we
Maybe
probably.
for those tires.
Yeah. Some other guy blew both of his tires to the other down at the bottom there.
Oh shit.
Okay, so.
All right, we'll go further.
And that's Timber Tamer. You
Yeah.
probably don't want to do that then.
We
So
don't want to take a chance with tires today.
So that means it's Service Road. Well, I'm glad you told us that.